Join me guys, let's make this beautiful handmade bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby Bird. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this bag. Okay, so I used a very hard stay. I cut it 22 inches by 12 inches, folded it in half, then fold it again in form of a 4 in 4. Then I picked out 3 inches from this edge, then draw a curve around it and trim it off. In order for it to have a perfect curve, I also cut out 1 inch from the other end. Okay, so here is a little bit protruding out and I wanted it to be a perfect arc. Arc. So I cut it out. So this is the fabric I'm using, the patches I made together. I use it to make a dress. If you've watched that video, you understand what I'm talking about. So I just try, because the fabric is not so big, I still reduce the size just to fit in with that. So I'm combining it with this particular fabric. I want these fringes to show, so I will go ahead and sew it together. After sewing, I'm just going to put it in the wrong side and iron it together. Remember, I cut out 2 of these, but this second one is not as wide as the first one, so I'm also going to use a carton as the inner part to give it weight. So I cut out this same shape for the carton. Ensure it's not as wide as the main fabric. Okay, it's just going to be at the middle. Thereafter I took the other part of the hard stay and ironed my lining on it. So you can see I went ahead to sew it round. I didn't really use gum here, I didn't use glue, I just ironed it and sew it round. So I'm using this pipe to make the handle. I measured out 14 inches, okay, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. Okay, so I just put my scissors inside and cut it to open the edge, the tip out. Then I'm going to cut out this old bag of mine, just a little piece out of it that I will put in the inner part. Then I also use a skirt. Okay, this is a skirt. The band of the skirt, I cut it out to form or to wrap the pipe that I cut out. I'm going to use for the handle. Okay, after cutting out the band from the skirt, I sew it and slot the pipe inside like this. They're looking so beautiful. They look like real hand of bag. So I'm going to go ahead and cut where I want this handle to start from. So I took a measurement about 3 inches from the top. Okay, 3 inches from the top. Then from the sides, I took 2.5 each from each side. Okay, so I just use a scissors to put a notch there, like you can see. Then notch this side and repeat same on the other 4 sides. Then try to slot it in. But there was something I did here. Okay, after cutting it open and slotted it in, I didn't want the place to be so hard. So what I did was to cut out of the pipe as well, so that it was only the fabric that I stitched. Okay, if that makes sense. So I cut this 2 side piece that I'm going to use to cover the side. Okay, so I went ahead to also iron it. Because I don't want to stress myself, I'm going to make use of this Velcro. Okay, this is Velcro. I don't want to use zip, so I just cut out a little inch, like 2 inches, sew it in. So I went ahead to assemble the bag, but before then I added some glue at the other sides of this carton. Okay, so added generously and just stick it in. Make sure every other thing is done inside, so that when you cover it, they won't be showing, especially the hand. After that, I added more glue at the upper part as well, then put the other lining that I ironed. Thereafter, I just went ahead to stitch it round, and voila, we have our bag ready. Is it not looking beautiful? This is what I wanted. You can see the hand can is flexible, it can go down. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share for all to see. Stay tuned for more videos. Love you.